Work calendar setup in Zoho People. The work calendar option helps you to define the work calendar and weekend for your organization. In order to do that, we need to navigate to Settings, Lead Tracker, and under Configuration, we have the option of Work Calendar. In this page, you can see there is a default work calendar that is already configured in the system, which is applicable to all the locations. However, you can create multiple work calendars specific to each location. So you'll have to just click on Add Work Calendar, select the applicable location. So once a location is selected, then we have the option to define the week. So where you're going to have these options, week starts on. So let's say it starts on Sunday. And then you're going to add when the work week starts on. So it starts on Monday and it ends on Friday. So if you have a different configuration that you'd like to have here, you can change it. And then you have an option to define your weekends. So in Zoho People, there are two different ways to define weekends. One is location-based weekends. The other option is shift-based weekends. If your weekends are specific to locations, you can define your weekends here. Or if your weekends are specific to shifts, when you're creating a shift in the shift module, you will have an option to assign weekends. So here, you can select a particular day that has to be considered as a weekend. So let's say I'm marking Saturday and Sunday as a weekend. You can also say not all Saturdays will be considered as weekends, only specific Saturdays. For example, only 2nd and 4th Saturday will be considered as weekend. Rest all Saturdays will be marked as working day. You can also add one more condition here. So not the complete 2nd and 4th Saturday is marked as weekend. It's going to be only the second half of the day. So employees are required to work for the first half. In this case, you can enable the option half working day and half weekend. So once this is enabled, you can say only second half will be considered as a weekend. So first half will be marked as a working day for your employees. So this is how location-based weekends are added. And then you have an option to add the calendar year definition. So you can either consider the normal calendar year, that is from Jan to December, or if it is a custom year, let's say it starts from April to March, then you can say this year starts from 1st of April to 31st of March 2025. And now that we have the weekends added, that is Saturday and Sunday, you can mark one particular weekend as a statutory weekend. So I can mark Saturday as a statutory weekend so that you can have this calculation separately tracked for payroll calculation. So once all the configuration is set, click on Save. And you can repeat this activity to add a work calendar for multiple locations for your organization. In case if you are creating work calendar and weekends for location and you are creating weekends based on shifts, in this condition, shift-based weekends will always override location-based weekends. This is about the work calendar setup in Zoho People.